I am that I am. Some call me Haru, your modern monk, your cannabis fitness strategist. Back at it again, here to serve you. Now, what's on my mind? Just a tipper. Life is too short to be playing, I guess, little games or let's life is too short to be playing little games. And what I mean by that is, like, if you, whatever industry you're in, you can't be just dicking around or just playing around in there. You actually got to start dominating. And what I mean by dominating, getting through the noise, letting people know who you are, what you about, what you represent. You know what I'm saying? Because it's all about selling you. It's all about being you, doing you, helping you. But at the same time, we always got to incorporate other people. You feel what I'm saying? And we always got to build rapport with other people too. That's the key thing. I think even with selling, you definitely got to build some type of rapport, connections, networks, whatnot. Then doors really do open. And this is a shout out to my brother Hit Richards for the respect, the understanding, the appreciation, not just with him, but others who respond in the particular mindset of connecting, of networking, of coming together, of the tipper of the day is 10xing everything, dominating the industry you're per se into. So at that note, have a great one. Stay strong and always powerful. Peace. I'm out.